Hey, how's it going? Well, today I'm working on the my 07 RAV4. I had for a while now I've had a problem with this selector, for defrost and that. It was always stiff, always giving me trouble for the last couple of years. So finally I kind of just quit. So I'm in the process of trying to figure it out. So I've already taken out the controller part here, put it back together because we have to use the car, but I'll show you where I'm at here. So I got a few things apart here underneath. So here's the part that goes in that knob over there. So this is broken, but I think that was just because a symptom of the problem with this cable. I think it must be kinked somewhere, or it was always pretty stiff. So I've ordered this part, and it goes in here. See it? There's two of them there, and the one I'm looking at is this one right here. Okay, so I finally got the part in for the Toyota. So I've got the panel off here, and got the new part here. See if I can just balance this. So now it did take me a bit to line this up to make the dial work properly, but so I didn't pay attention when I took it apart which way it was pointing. But basically this just clips into there. It only fits in one way. There, that's in. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, so it goes all the way around both ways. So that should be good. Okay, so now just got to rehook these wires, and then I'm going to go underneath there and try and put the other end of that cable in. So okay, I'm going to try and put in this other end of this cable, and it has to go in there, and this is what opens that door. You can see that door opening. Seems pretty sticky. Maybe I'm going to have to try and clean that or something. Almost looks like the seal on it is deteriorated. Okay, so I think that's the position it was in. I don't know if I can film this and everything, but I can't really film this, so I'll just have to show you when it's done. Okay, so I got it clipped in. It wasn't too bad, just had to have two hands to do it. So there, as you can see, it's moving. Opening and closing that door, whatever that does. So I'm going to take some spray cleaner. I'm going to clean all that around in there. I know it feels a little bit sticky. Okay, once I get it all back together, we'll see if it's going to work. Okay, so getting back together, let's see how it works. Fan. And this one still works. Okay, well, looks like it's fixed. Thanks for watching.